open, bruh. Oh. Oh, now this is so OC. As you can see, it's written the rain, guys. Oh my god. Now this is OC. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy K. God Skills. Ayo, and I'm back with another video. Ayo, what's good? What's good? What's good, guys? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, man. So you all saw the thumbnail, guys. You all saw the title of the video. Today, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm going to be unboxing the Rain 101 router, man. Like, yo, guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So, it arrived yesterday, right? The router arrived yesterday, you feel me? But then it arrived late hours. So I couldn't shoot content for y'all guys, right? I couldn't shoot proper content for y'all guys. So I had to wait for the next day to properly shoot content for y'all, cause y'all know I told y'all everything that I do I'm taking y'all with me, right? Everything that I do I'm taking y'all with me. So without further ado, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because we're coming through with bangers after bangers after bangers, bruh. You feel me? You don't want to get left behind. And without further ado, I don't want to talk too much, I don't want to do too much. I just want to get into the unboxing of this router, bruh. It's right here, guys. Like, it's literally right here. As you can see, Rain 5G, the 101. You feel me? So yeah, man. Let's get into the unboxing. Damn, guys. So as you all can see, right? This is literally new, right? This is literally brand new. Like, this is literally brand new. It came in through like yesterday late, as I said, you feel me? So we're gonna be getting into the unboxing of this, right? For the first time, we're gonna be checking out the unboxing of the Rain 5G Wi-Fi, right? The 101, as you can see, it's written over here. You feel me? So I don't wanna talk too much, bruh. I don't wanna talk too much. It's time we really check this out, bruh. Cause like y'all know, guys, y'all know it's very hard. It's very hard. You feel me? For like the people who works with internet, for example, YouTubers, forex traders, anyone, like anyone, if you are using internet connection to get the bag or to do anything that you are doing, right? You feel me? Like, bruh, it's hard, bruh. It's literally so hard. You need the proper internet connection, you feel me? That's what made me get this router in the first place. For work, right? For work. So I don't want to talk too much, but then let's check this out, guys. Like, yo, I'm excited, bruh. I'm excited. Okay, let me just remove this box, you feel me? Because it's hard to remove, guys. It's very hard to remove. Oh, oh, now this is so OC. As you can see, it's written the rain, guys. Oh my god. Now this is OC. Nah, this is so OC, guys. I'm gonna take a thumbnail real quick. Nah, this is so OC, bruh. Oh, damn. So I know you guys are gonna be asking like, how much did you pay for this? Blah blah, the process and all that. So what happened is, guys, I'm gonna be honest, right? I'm gonna be honest. I won't lie to you. I'm gonna be honest. My sister, right, bought this. You feel me? My sister bought this. So I don't know. Well, she told me she paid 600, right? She told me she paid 600, but I don't know the process of like ordering and doing all of that. So y'all need to go find that out yourselves, guys. I'm sorry, y'all need to go find that out yourselves, because I'm just doing the unboxing, right? I'm just doing the unboxing. I ain't doing I didn't do none of that ordering. I didn't do the payments. I didn't do anything. I'm just going to be doing monthly payments, right? Monthly payments is what I'm going to be doing for this baby right here, right? And the reason I had to get one of these in the crib was that work, guys. Work. As you all know, I'm a forex trader and also I'm a YouTuber. So uploading content, guys, uploading content is literally so important. I need something that moves. I need something that moves. You feel me? I need something that moves. So as you can see, she ordered the blue color. Now the blue color is so OC. I like it. I fuck with it. I like it. I'm not complaining. The blue color is so nice. You feel me? So I wanna see, man. I wanna see. I wanna see, cause it's like a box right now that I have to lift up. So I'ma get back to you guys. So guys, as you all can see, I just lifted this up right now. You feel me? I just lifted it up, and then I think there's some other covers that it comes with, right? Here's some covers that it comes with. You feel me? And yeah, I just lifted it up, guys. As you all can see, this is the router. You feel me? This is the 5G rain, guys. Oh my gosh. I got goosebumps by just getting this. Like, oh my gosh. And the internet connection is literally so fast. It has to be fast because obviously it's 5G, guys. Come on, you can't tell me it's a 5G and it's still gonna be slow. So it definitely has to be fast. Like, chill out. It has to be fast. So we're gonna be checking what's in this box over here. You feel me? This was the box that closed everything. This is the box where the router was inside. You feel me? And this is the router, right? So I'm gonna put the router on the side for now. You feel me? And just like see, you feel me? I just wanna see what's on the box. You feel me? Just wanna see what's on the box. So we're gonna put the router right here for now. You feel me? Don't mind my legs, guys. Yo. So we're gonna put the router on the ground right now, and we're gonna see what does it comes with, bruh. What does this comes with? You feel me? Cause I see this. What's this? What's this? It says they say um to use skins again, just peel off, wipe, clean, and reapply. Blue, right? Blue. As you can see, rain skin blue. So I think this is like the 101 skins. I think this is like this blue cover over here, guys. You feel me? I just think it's this blue cover over here. I think they give you extra covers. You feel me? For whatever reasons, but I think they just give you extra covers or skins, whatever, guys. Whatever. We have this one over here, so I don't really care as much. And then it says cable guys and other thingies. Okay, cable guys and other thingies. We're gonna first check what's in this box over here. You feel me? We're gonna first check. Oh, okay. So I think this is the power cable, guys. As you can see right there. You feel me? I think focus, nigga. I think this is the power cable. As you can see, it's written there, the 101 AC adapter. So yeah, I think this has to be the power cable, bruh. Let's see. Yeah, this has to be the power cable, guys. So this is the power cable. You feel me? This is the power cable. You feel me? So check this out, guys. So this is the power cable. As you can see, guys, we need Wi-Fi as traders. We need Wi-Fi as internet people, bruh. Like, we need this for work. YouTubers, I think y'all should get this, bruh. Like, definitely, like, get this, bruh. So I'm gonna put this one side, you feel me? I'm gonna put the power cable one side. This is the router so far, you feel me? And I'm gonna put this box right back. I'm gonna put this box right back. This was the box for the power cable, guys, by the way. And then what's this cable for? We're gonna check this. What's this cable for? Oh, the cables is so long. Oh, I think this is the cable for, like, when you have a laptop, right? To connect on the laptop or the computer. Yeah, the computer or the laptop, guys. So they made sure that they supply you with this cable just in case you have like a computer or you have a laptop at home, you feel me, that needs this cable for Wi-Fi supply. So yeah, and then it doesn't come out with a lot of things. Yes, like that's what I like about this. It doesn't comes out with a lot of things. I'm gonna just put this back because I won't be using it anyway. So I'm just gonna put it back. Just gonna put it back this side. Just gonna put it back this side. And what else does it come out with? Let's check. Let's check this cable, guys. Cable, guys, and other things. What's in here, bro? Let me check. Let me check what's in here. It says bringing order to cable chaos. So this, I just think this is like what fastens the cables, guys. Let's see, we're gonna check. Let me check what's this real quick. Let me check, oh my gosh. Let me check what that is. Yeah, as you can see, this is what like fastens the cables or whatever. You feel me? As you can see there. You feel me? Something, yeah. You feel me? I think this is what fastens the cables and stuff. So it's what's in this packet over here, guys. So anyway, I'm gonna put this back and put this back because I don't need this right now either way. You feel me? I don't need this right now either way. Like, guys, don't judge me. It's literally in the morning. Yo, I just woke up and I was like, nah, I have to unbox this thing and I have to shoot content. And then there's this thing also, guys. I don't know what's this. What's this? I don't know what's this. Because the router is blue. Right? The router is blue. And we have this red thing. What's this? Don't know what's this, guys. Comment down below if you know what this is. You feel me? Comment down below if you know what this is, bruh. Focus, nigga. Because I don't know what's this. But anyway, doesn't matter. I'm gonna put it back in the box. Feel me? Put that back in the box. And I'm gonna put this cable thingies also back in the box for next time when we need them. You feel me? For next time when we need them. Feel me? So yeah, guys, this was the unboxing, right, of the Rain 101 router. You feel me? Doesn't come out with a lot of things, just simple, right? Just very simple. So I'm going to put the skins back, right? The skins, I'm gonna put them back, and then I'm going to put this aside because I'm going to need this when I go plug it right now, right? When I plug it right now, I'm going to need this. So I'm going to leave it there, and I'm going to take this, and we're going to see how this looks. So this is the router, guys, right? This is the router. Let's see under. We have where this is the power supply goes in, as you can see right there, right? That this cable over here is going to be plugged here, right, in there, and then here it says on and off, right? As you can see there, on and off. This is where you switch on the router on and off, and then there's just a bunch of um connecting stuff over here, right? Just a bunch of connecting stuff. You can even put like a SIM card. You can even put like a SIM card, right? You can even put on like a SIM card here, guys. So in case maybe you want like you have data on your SIM card, you can just put on your SIM card and use this Wi-Fi, you feel me? And it's 5G. So yeah, man, this is the router. As you can see, the top, the side, you feel me? And the back, this is the back, as you can see. This is the back, as you can see. So yeah, man, this is the one of one, right? The one of one Rain 5G router. So I'm just going to go plug it right now, guys, and I'm gonna go plug it, and I'm gonna be taking a video of how it goes on after you plug it, right? How it goes on after you plug it, and yeah. So it's about to be a nice experience with this router over here. It's about to be so nice. It's about to be work all the way, trading, YouTube, a whole lot of content is gonna be dropping since I got this, guys. I promise you that. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit the like button, and make sure you follow me on Instagram on KGutsKills. I'm gonna put it down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and make sure you hit the subscribe button. And yeah, so guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video of me unboxing the 5G 101 router, you feel me? Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram on KGutsKills. I'm gonna put it down below, guys. And also, if you all enjoyed this video, I'm gonna need you all to do me a favor and hit that like button, you feel me? Make sure you hit that like button. And yeah, I'ma keep dropping bangers after bangers after bangers like this, you feel me? Because I love y'all guys a lot, and I told y'all on each and everything that I do, I'm taking y'all with me because I love y'all, right? I love y'all. I love y'all a lot, and I need y'all to get me to 1,000 subscribers, please. 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you watch this whole entire video, you feel me? And yeah, love y'all guys a lot. Peace.